winter. That's a nice little feature. Not to be forgotten is what we're looking at here across the south. Let me go back one frame. Somehow I skipped over the southeast side of this. There is a decent line of rain coming through the southeast. Now, some of this is Gulf of Mexico moisture out ahead of the front, so you're really in the slop here across the coastal portions of the southeast. But the front itself is still back here, and there's been just enough instability along that front, some cold air aloft and some lifting from the front itself, that we have some thunderstorms popping along that front. Could we see a storm in the east side of Birmingham? Sure, we've got that now, maybe getting into Atlanta, although Atlanta was very rainy and cloudy today, so it's not an easy time to get into severe weather. Where it will be an easier time is out ahead of this line, where we haven't seen anything yet today. Tonight, South Georgia, North Florida, down through the west coast of Florida, a chance for some strong storms. A quick look at that shows you the line approaching, say, Tallahassee to Valdosta in about an hour or so. Coming towards Jacksonville this evening at about 10, maybe 11 o'clock, maybe midnight, depending on what part of the city you live in. We could also see some decent storms coming in off the Gulf at this point. So overnight, a storm threat that works its way down the Florida coastline. So that's something that we got to watch, Alex, all the way through your Monday morning across Central Florida and South Florida as well.
Absolutely. I'll get you back to the snow. Let's go through the timing for a few areas. Sections of New England, they'll be the last to see the snow really start. We're looking at Monday, 7 a.m., still dry in Boston, but then that snow quickly coming in. We get a period of rain-snow mix by late Monday into early Tuesday, actually transition over to rain in Boston. Now, that rain continues all the way through Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Now, late Tuesday, we'll end with a quick shot of wintry mix, then all snow for the city of Boston, other parts of eastern Massachusetts. But the fact that we're spending time in that wintry mix, rain, is going to keep the totals lower across the eastern half of Massachusetts. You head into central parts of Massachusetts, western, that's where we've got the snow. How about Waltham and Worcester? Over a foot of snow possible in these areas. So even just west of the city, could be looking at some good totals. Totals be held down, though, in a place like Boston. Providence, Rhode Island, expect those winds to really be kicking. Northeast winds at time over 40 miles an hour. Providence, you guys will probably get around 8 inches, some higher amounts, possibly a foot or more in the northwest part of Rhode Island. Our team coverage continues as our Weather Channel coverage of Warren lead us back after this.
Hi, I'm Jade, and a little thing I love about Chick-fil-A's new Grilled Spicy Deluxe is the way that the Colby Jack cheese complements the spicy sandwich.